Hey guys, welcome back to more tech reviews. I'm your host Marissa, and today I'll be talking about cloud computing advantages for networking and best practices for cybersecurity.
At night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.
So in this video, I'll be discussing cloud computing and how it relates to networks, giving advantages and the best practices. So for those who don't know, cloud computing is the process of transferring various assets through the internet. These assets include databases, networking, and data storage. So as opposed to keeping documents on an exclusive hard drive or nearby storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. Cloud computing is a well-known choice for individuals and organizations for various reasons, including savings on costs, more productivity, speed, execution, and security. A solid network gives centralized administration, control, and visibility. For instance, overseeing devices in various physical areas using the internet. It is usually used for connectivity, security, management, and control. Using cloud engineering in many various areas around the world, cloud networking permits associations to convey content quicker and screen their devices and tasks in real time. It also assists with keeping them side by side of any network security issues, including checking high volumes of traffic. Moving on now to the advantages. A cloud network is essential in the delivery of digital content for a multitude of industries. It offers the following benefits. First, we have flexibility. With the expanding accessibility of online content, numerous ventures have gone to cloud networking for better content distribution. It may very well be used for web content suppliers, e-commerce retailers, cloud service providers, or more. So the next one we have here is speed. Using a cloud network ensures the quicker delivery of content because of the utilization of thousands of servers around the world. This implies that the content has less actual distance to go between workers, giving the last end users quicker access. Now we have dependability. Cloud security solutions accessible as a feature of cloud networking guarantee that clients are shielded from the most recent web security dangers. There is equally less danger of server downtime because of the server load balancing, which is great. Now we have cost saving. By using a cloud network, organizations can get a good deal on building and operating their own organizations, all the while staying away from potential technical issues that accompany these. Now, on to the cybersecurity best practices. Service threats, malware, and controller access are only a couple of different dangers networks face. Beneath the fundamental prescribed procedures, specialists suggest for beginning a network security policy. With that being said, some of the best network cybersecurity practices are anti-malware. With antivirus software, it can detect any disturbances in the program. In addition to that, program reinforcements and security updates will have operating systems stay up with the latest on the most current patches. Next, we have the multifactor identification. This is a method which requires the user to input multiple verifications rather than prompting the user to enter the typical username, email, and password. This is essential to many firms as it reduces the chances of being victim to a cyber attack while enhancing the firm's security. Lastly, we have monitoring and reviewing. Reviewing guarantees that the shields set up are working appropriately and being amplified to ensure the most vulnerable connections in the organization. A yearly review is suggested while checking, for example, malware examining, or to be directed consistently. Now, that is it for today, guys. This is a shorter video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for listening in. And I also hope you learned something new today from the video about cloud computing and how it relates to networks. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.